Hi everyone, this is Prestonation's Hobby Arts. Today I'm going to share with you all something interesting and something related with recycled art. I'm using all the material from the recycled items plus some material that I bought outside like glues and some cardboards that I will also use some cards, hard cards and some paper paints to make something interesting. Now I'm going to share to you some items that I have just made, and this is the replicas of the F-35 Lightning. Alright everyone, this is the jet fighter that I made from recycled materials, and it's a very solid paint that I make, that I construct everything with the paintings, and I hope you like it. Some interesting hobby that I just made. And I hope you guys like it. Alright, in futures I'm going to make some more to share with you guys. And if you like my videos, please like or subscribe. Thank you very much.